Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the tomato thokku, a spicy tomato pickle from southern India. To begin, dry roast 1 teaspoon mustard seeds sarson, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds methi dana, 1 teaspoon chana dal split chickpea and 1 teaspoon coriander seeds dhania until aromatic. Cool, grind it into a fine powder and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 5 chopped large tomatoes, about 500 grams. Add in a teaspoon of salt and mix well. This helps the tomatoes cook faster. Cover with a lid and cook until they release water. Add in a teaspoon of jaggery powder and 2 tablespoons tamarind paste. Mix well. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Once it begins to dry, mash it a bit with the back of the spoon. Saute until the tomatoes are cooked and the liquid dries up a bit. Now add in the dry masalas, the powdered masala you prepared earlier, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. Saute on medium to low heat until the oil starts appearing on the sides. For tempering, heat a tablespoon of oil in a tempering pan. Add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Add in 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing and a sprig of curry leaves. Pour the tempering onto the tomato mixture. Mix well. Cook for a minute or two. The tomato thokku is ready to serve. Enjoy with idlis, dosas or rice. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.